Donato's, the best pizza.
Donato's Pizza on Highway 31 across from the Rave Theater. Dine in, carry out, or delivery. Donato's Pizza, celebrating 45 years of serving the best pizza.
Donato's, the best pizza. Donato's!
Alright, that brings up the beginning of the second half. Rebels lead it for now. Score 6-0. And the Rebels line up with the ball on offense.
Starting off the second half, Rebels will get things underway from the 20.
And handoff up
Cole
the middle.
Johnson in center.
Eli
Handoff to Eli Tilden.
Eli Sawyer
Flag
coming around.
moving.
He's
Got to
still
get 5,
driving.
6,
Eli
7.
keeps
Still
driving.
forward movement.
Eli Sawyer with
Eli Sawyer
gain
with a
of
good
a little
carry there.
over,
Enough for a
looks like
first
11
down.
yards.
Great start for the Rebels.
First down for the Rebels. A hard driving Eli Sawyer on the carry. On the offensive line.
Cole Johnson
And
getting the
hands
team
off the
set.
right hand side to Sean Smith. I'm
We got
not sure
Sean
what
Smith
hole
on
they
the
had
right-hand side,
intended for
around
him
the
to
side.
run through. But he's going to bring it around
Forward
the
side
end.
of bounds. By number 12, Jack Poise.
Yeah, looks like
The
no
Raiders
gain on
got
the
a
play.
flag
We
on
got a
the
flag
play.
on the play. We may have a holding on this play, not sure. We got a call. Waiting on a call. Looks like they're going to step off. How many yards here? Looks like they're still discussing it. 10-yard holding. And Cole Johnson,
with
the
a
quarterback
quarterback
keeper,
keeper
around
there.
the left-hand
Cole
side.
Johnson scrambling down the left-hand
Still
side.
moving. Gain of about
Good
5
for a good
yards.
5 yards. 4 yards off that carry. Getting Cole Johnson for the Rebels with a quarterback keeper.
And handoff on the right-hand side to Sean Smythe. Sean Smythe.
Handoff up the middle to
About
Sean
3 yards.
Good for a gain of a couple.
Still getting a lot of movement on that offensive line. And they're going with the end around.
That's a little end around there.
Going around the right-hand side.
Sean Hoover with a good run there.
Nice.
We have a flag on the play.
Nice game brought down by...
Nice game, about 5 yards. We'll see what the flag is all about.
Didn't quite catch who made that tackle there. But there's a flag on the play. And we'll see what the call is.
Looks like it's going to be a mark off against the Rebels.
Okay, that was a 15-yard penalty.
Like a 15-yard penalty on that play. We had a face mask.
Looks like we had a face mask. Face mask by the blocker. Back further down than when they started the half on the 17-yard line. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, they ruled it down. I think they ruled that maybe he touched the knee. Not sure. I think they're just calling the play dead and the play over. I think they're, oh no, they're calling the
unfortunately, it's like a
first down here.
Johnson's back, looking to pass.
Oh, no luck on the pass. Not sure who the pass was intended to. Looks like it may have been a throw to Ben
Good
Murphy.
attempt, and it looks like the Rebels will be punting.
Rebels gonna punt, 4th down. Raiders take over 1st and 10 on their 38-yard line. They're already past the midfield point. Raiders right at midfield on the 38-yard line. 1st and 10.
The Raiders with a good starting position here on they're on 38-yard line.
And it looks like they got a strong left formation. Maybe going with the quarterback keeper around the left-hand side.
DeMarcus Burris
hey,
running the helm here. Keeps the ball. He's got a good run around the right
they
side.
Stopped him. They did. Who made that tackle? Looks like number 17.
On the left-hand side, a great run there before he Runs into a couple Rebels for the stop. That's enough for a first down and a good first play for this half for the Raiders.
Looks like number 17 on the tackle. That was Sam Herndon that made that first contact. Sam Herndon with the tackle on the quarterback keeper around the left-hand side. And the Raiders again, they've got a strong right formation. That has been a signal of a quarterback keeper around that right-hand side. See if that's what they run here. They do not seem to mind that the Rebels know what they're going to run.
Strong right formation at that time. Marcus Burris again keeping the ball, but
we're getting a little
great penetration that time by the Rebels.
Not sure what the penalty's for. They're giving a. They're going to call must be a face mask or something there on the tackle. I'm not sure. Looks like they're ready to mark it off against the Rebels.
Looks like the mark off will be against the Rebels there.
Calling somebody up.
Loss of 10 yards.
And Herndon there, maybe a little too aggressive on the tackle. On the left formation there, it's been an indication of a quarterback keeper left. And Marcus Burris left.
Eli Sawyer there to meet him on that play.
I'm wondering what the penalty is.
It's raining flag.
Calling him on the, because he grabbed him around his helmet. Now, I'm not sure about that call. He didn't grab the face mask, that's for sure. He just locked up on what he had, but they're saying somehow that's an illegal tackle. Not sure. I'm afraid we should have fed these refs at halftime, and they are not happy. It's now 1st and 10 on about the 11. Theoretically, the Raiders could get another first down.
1st and 10. We got P.J. King,
Rebels,
quarterback on this play.
On every play.
Got a handoff up the middle.
Handoff there, number 59.
That was big Nicholas Foster on that play. He rambles ahead for a few yards.
Correction, 69, Nicholas Foster. And the Raiders changing up their formation just a little bit here. Mix it up. Looks like
Raiders starting off on about the 6.
And looks like had a little fumble.
Trouble the exchange there.
Touched the ground, so they're going to rule it dead.
Play's called dead on about the 7 yard line.
And no penalty on the play, but that brings up third and about 7. Third and about 7.
J. King
Break
getting
these
the
plays up.
Raiders set.
You got a wide right formation. And
hand off up the middle.
Number 69.
Big Nicholas Foster scrambling ahead. Got a couple more yards.
Looks like Quan Ball may have been in there on the tackle, and several other Rebels. And they're going to put in their goal line offense. Now it's 4th down and 4.
Raiders getting set. Action underway.
54. And the quarterback, DeMarcus Burris. Now he's been one they've been running
quarterback DeMarcus Burris
under center. It's like he's coming left. They
Texas
need to get
around the end.
The Rebels have him for now.
Matt
Can they take him down?
Great defensive stance by the Rebels on that.
An amazing defensive stance by the Rebels. Nice penetration by Eli Sawyer, Grant McLean.
We had Eli Sawyer, Grant McLean, and a host of others in there on that stop.
Nice play by the Rebels defense to stop this amazing Raiders offense. But the Rebels have their work cut out for them. They're on their own 5 yard line, which is dangerous territory in 7-year-old football. Rebels.
After that great defensive stand, Rebels going to have their work cut out for them. Starting off on their own 5 yard line.
And they're going to hand it off. Who to? Not sure. Looks like they went with Eli Sawyer up the middle.
Maybe a gain of a yard or 2 on that play.
Gain of a couple of yards. Looks like Quan Ball's getting up kind of slow. He's okay. He's ready to play. I think the quarter may run out before they get a chance to run another play. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
The last few seconds 2, of the quarter
1,
winding down.
And the quarter is over. That is the end of the 3rd quarter.
End of the 3rd quarter.
The Rebels still lead.
The Rebels at 6.
6-0.
And the Raiders still looking to get on the board.